Welcome to Cheung Chau Island. This island is known for its stunning beaches, beautiful mountainous scenery, and a car-free environment. We started off the morning by getting breakfast at our hotel. It was a great selection. They had American, European food, and Asian food all at the buffet at our hotel. It was very good. And then we took a 40-minute ferry ride over to the island of Cheung Chau. It was an extremely bumpy ferry ride, probably the bumpiest ferry ride I've ever been on, but it was a beautiful ride over. You get to see all of the islands around Hong Kong and all the beautiful buildings around Hong Kong as well on the way over here. But we're now on the island. We're now walking to a beautiful lookout on the north side of the island, so we'll meet you there. Have made it to the lookout, and there's this beautiful pavilion that you can go in, and then you just have stunning views of the area around. This place is a must if you come to Cheung Chau. There's actually on the other side, the south side of the island, there's what is called the mini Great Wall of China, because it's said to look like a miniature version of the Great Wall of China. But I have to say, the staircase leading up to this place also looks really pretty and kind of reminded me of the pictures that I saw from that side. I'm not sure if we're going to make it down to that south side. I think we're mainly going to go around the city, maybe go inside some temples, and kind of see what the island has to offer. We just came down from the mountain after a stunning scenery up there, and we stopped at this temple behind me called Pak Tao Temple. I sent Paulo in because I don't have my shoulders covered and I wanted to be respectful. The outside is absolutely beautiful, and Paulo said the inside is just as stunning. We are gonna go ahead and get some food because it is past lunchtime and my stomach is growling. So let's head on and hopefully beat the rain. We have made it to a Japanese restaurant. I'm not even going to attempt to say the name, but we just got our food. I got the Japanese chicken and Paulo got the pork cutlet, and it comes with a salad, miso soup, rice, and a tea. Paulo upgraded his to a peach tea, which looks really good. But we're gonna dig into this, and it's so cute because it's got like the Japanese flair. You got like fish and cats for the plates. It's really cute, but the food also looks really good.
Gotta say that meal was delicious. It was really good.
Best meal we've had so far.
We are headed to the other side of the island, which is a very short walk from where we were.
Yeah, we'll post like a map. Basically, the island, it's almost like an 8. Like in the middle, it's very tiny, so it's very fast to walk across. And then at the top and bottom, you have like the thicker areas, which is where the mountains are. So, quick walk to the beach. We're already here. So.
And there's a surfing place. That is actually really cool. I've never surfed in my life, but I would want to try it sometime. And just like that, we made it to Guam Beach. It was like a less than a 5-minute walk. Not so many people here, but definitely worth coming. It's really nice. I'm pretty sure when it's sunny and like there's a bunch of people here, it's actually really, really cool.
With it raining, we decided not to do the hike to the Great Wall, so we got on the ferry and we're heading back to Hong Kong Island. Going to go to a 7-Eleven there, and then we have a couple other stops we're gonna make before we head to the night market.
Enter the power of editing. We made it back to Hong Kong Island, where the weather is still muggy and cloudy and a little bit rainy. We're now heading towards
7-Eleven. We're gonna get some 7-Eleven goodies, and then we're gonna catch a ding-ding to our favorite bread places in Asia called Bread Talk. And first, let me tell you about a ding-ding. So they are basically the local tram. They've been around since like 1904, I believe, in Hong Kong. They're just like a fun little way to get around. They're like a double-decker tram, and they're called a ding-ding because of the sound they make. So yeah, we're excited to get on one. It's a must when you're in Hong Kong to ride this unique transportation mode. So let's go around 7-Eleven and then we'll catch the ding-ding. Light show, or it's just the lights of the Hong Kong Skyline. We only got here like 5 to 10 minutes late, so yeah, if it was a light show, it was very short. But the skyline is very beautiful. We just got some footage, very vibrant, kind of reminds me of like almost New York or something, where you've got all the different lights, all the skyscrapers. But yeah, it was, I think it was worth it still coming over here. We're gonna head now to the Temple Street Night Market, where we're hopefully gonna get some food and maybe haggle for some goods. We'll see what they have, but it's about 15 to 20 minutes away, so we're gonna start heading there now, and we'll meet you there.
Made it to Temple Street Night Market. Let's start exploring. I'm curious how close it is to like a Thai street market.
We just finished walking at the Temple Street Night Market. There wasn't any particular food stall that drew our attention, but we did see a bunch of people at this restaurant called Wing Fat Seafood Restaurant. So we decided to stop here, and we're getting some food. Paulo got the chicken fried rice, and I got a spare rib clay pot. Clay pots are something that they recommend in Hong Kong. It's basically rice with some sort of meat. So I'm looking forward to trying it since we're here, and we'll show you once we get it. I just got my clay pot. When they brought it, they basically put the soy sauce in it. We closed it back up and then let it sit for a couple minutes, and now my dish is ready. So I got, it's basically rice with the spare ribs. Hopefully I'll let it cool down enough because it smells really good. So let's try it. That's really good. I like it.
I like it a lot. 10 out of 10.
Alright, we're back in a room after a really super rainy walk back to the hotel. As you can tell, and I'm not entirely sure if you can hear it, but it is still pouring outside. If my hair doesn't tell you how much we got soaked, my shoes will. But anyways, before ending this vlog, I thought I would share what we got from Bread Talk, which is one of my favorite places to go get bread. And we mentioned it earlier in the vlog. It is sweet bread, my favorite. It's sugar, I forgot the name, but I think it's sugar something bread. And then, of course, had to get pandan. Again, one of our favorite flavors that they have. And then Melanie got something else, but I think she already ate it because it's not there anymore. But anyways, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like this video. It helps creators like us. And then also, if you haven't already, which most of you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to this to our channel so that you don't miss another of our adventurous videos. Thank you so much for watching if you stayed all the way through, and we hope to see you next week where we will be exploring more of Hong Kong before we head back home. Don't stop adventuring, and we'll see you next week.